Hello, and welcome back to the C-Suite Sidekick. I'm your host, Summer Paletti. Recently, I shared with you my vision for the agile financial service or SaaS company of the future, a company that drives increasingly profitable growth without hiring more salespeople. And we're doing another deep dive on this because it gets a lot of eyebrow raises. If you're an owner, I know you're interested in this. And that's all well and fine. Sometimes salespeople can tend to drive CEOs a little batty, so I do understand why this is an intriguing topic. But today we're going to talk about how to accomplish that lofty vision. It's fine in theory, right? But let's talk about how to get it done. This episode is packed with actionable strategies to maximize your resources and scale profitability. Strategy number 1, align department leaders. Easier said than done, right? Go back and see one of my first podcast episodes on aligning sales and marketing. It's really easy to start there. So first up, you need alignment across all of your key department leaders. To truly scale without exponentially growing the team, sales, marketing, customer success, and operations all need to be in sync, working toward the same goals. In financial services, you might also need to bring finance and risk management into the fold. And in SaaS, that should also mean involving IT. Everyone needs to understand the role that they play in your business growth strategy. By aligning your teams, you create an environment where collaboration and communication are more or less seamless. This is where leaders can pool resources, brainstorm together, and solve problems as a unit. It's also about breaking down silos. Marketing can't work in isolation from sales. Customer success should not be separated from operations if you want to scale efficiently. And no finger pointing allowed. This is a unit in which everyone is on the same team, and this starts with the CEO. Strategy number 2. If you're going to scale without hiring more salespeople, you need to run a solid demand gen strategy. Bonus points if you're using an account-based marketing or ABM or a robust go-to-market strategy, even better. The goal here is to create content that educates potential buyers, keeps current clients engaged, and moves everyone through their journey from just looking to ready to buy, and then continues to support and educate throughout the entire customer journey. Your content should address each stage of the buyer's journey and the unique objections or questions that they're likely going through. And don't forget partners in the process too. Educational content isn't just for prospects, it's also for partners who can amplify your reach and for current clients who just might need that new innovative feature you came out with. When done right, this type of demand engine will keep a steady stream of qualified leads coming in, which your business development pros can close. Which brings us to strategy number 3. This next strategy is critical. You need an expert available for buyers when they're making that final decision, whether it's a senior sales executive or a solutions engineer. This person needs to be able to build trust quickly and provide valuable insights that help buyers make informed decisions. And they also need to have the confidence to ask for the sale when the time is right. This role is essential because today's buyers are savvier than ever. They're doing their own research, asking questions, and seeking out expert opinions before committing to a deal. Having that go-to person who can answer their questions, ease their concerns, and close the deal will keep your sales processes moving efficiently. And this is that powerful person who isn't overly pushy or overly aggressive. This person's there when the buyer needs them and can help avoid the buyer living in analysis and consideration forever. Sometimes people need just a little nudge, and that's what this person is there to do. Strategy number 4, solid strategic partner program. A strong partner program is another way to scale without hiring, but we're not talking about partners in name only. Logos on websites are not going to cut it here. The right partner should be able to provide value to your business by generating leads, co-marketing, or even co-selling. When you have a strategic partner that understands your business and your goals, they can be an extension of your team, helping you close more deals without adding more people. Strategy number 5, customer success to retain and also grow clients. A proactive customer success strategy is a cornerstone of scaling business without increasing sales headcount. If you can keep your clients happy, earn referrals, and grow with them, win, win, win. By ensuring that clients are getting maximum value from your product or service, you increase customer retention and even expand your revenue within existing accounts. This involves regular check-ins, business reviews, demonstrating ROI consistently, delivering insights that help them make more informed decisions. It's important to remember here that when your customers learn, they study their business and their industry. You can deliver great value by informing them on trends and updates in your line of work, those bits of knowledge that you probably take for granted. When your customers see you as a partner in their business, they're not only more likely to stay, but also more likely to refer you to others within their industry. And strategy number 6, of course, I saved the best for last, data analytics and data-driven decisions. To scale efficiently, you need to know where to focus your efforts, and that means making decisions based on data, whether it's tracking the profitability of specific products or analyzing the profitability of individual accounts. Having a data-driven approach ensures you're putting resources where they'll make the biggest impact. And when you're really getting ready to scale, let's dive into the data twice a month instead of only monthly or quarterly. With things moving as quickly as they are right now, you kind of run the risk of missing some opportunities if you're analyzing data quarterly or even monthly. Sometimes you're going to look into the data and you're going to need to make some tough decisions in order to scale profitably without adding a lot more folks. That means cutting services or accounts that aren't driving profits. And this is where AI gets invited to the table. AI can help identify underperforming areas that you might not have spotted on your own and shine a light on opportunities to optimize for greater efficiency. If you've gotten too attached to certain business units or clients or services, it happens to everybody. This is your business baby. So AI helps give you a reality check. Be ready and willing to fix what's not working, or if necessary, fire what is dragging you down. Let's wrap it all up. In today's competitive landscape, especially in financial services and SaaS, the future looks bright for agile and adaptable companies that leverage top talent in combination with AI technology to drive growth. Highly experienced business development professionals working with data-driven insights and AI models and aligned departmental heads will allow you to scale without the need to exponentially increase headcount or your software spend. Remember, it's not always about growing your team. This is the time to rethink the older models of business growth. With the right alignment, strong demand generation, customer success strategies, strategic partnerships, you can achieve sustainable growth and increase your profitability without significantly increasing costs. If you're interested in diving deeper into any of these strategies, or you need help building a custom plan for scaling your business without expanding your team, feel free to connect with me. Find me on LinkedIn, I'm Summer Poletti, rhymes with spaghetti, or visit me on my website, theriseofus.com. If you found some value in this, I would appreciate a review. It's going to help me maximize my reach. And consider sharing with any business owner you know, be they in financial services or be they elsewhere, who might be interested in growing without hiring a bunch more salespeople. Let's work together to drive growth for your business. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you next week.